Welcome back to Product Critique, your ultimate destination for in-depth product analysis and reviews. Today, we're shedding light on the best HB3 LED headlight available in the market. Introducing the FAHREN 9005 HB3 LED bulbs, a game-changer in automotive lighting technology. These bulbs are not just your ordinary headlights, they're a revolution on wheels. With a staggering 22,000 lumens of brightness per pair and a crisp 6500K cool white color temperature, these bulbs outshine traditional halogens by 600%. That means clearer visibility and enhanced safety on the road. And guess what? Installation is a breeze. With an almost one-to-one mini design identical to halogen bulbs, you can simply plug and play without any modifications. But what about durability? Well, these bulbs are built to last. With a lifespan of over 50,000 hours, thanks to their whole aviation aluminum body and unique hollow carved heatsink design, you won't be replacing them anytime soon. Now, let's talk compatibility. These bulbs are CAN bus ready for 98% of vehicles, meaning they'll seamlessly integrate with your car's computer system without any errors. So, whether you're upgrading your headlights for style, safety, or both, the FAHREN 9005 HB3 LED bulbs are the ultimate choice. Don't settle for dim and outdated halogens. Step into the future of automotive lighting with FAHREN. Thanks for tuning in to Product Critique. Be sure to hit that like button, subscribe for more insightful reviews, and until next time, drive safe and stay illuminated.